Two browsers, one decision, and today you are gonna learn how to download, install, and choose between the world's fastest, most secure, and most browsers, Google Chrome and Brave browser. So grab your PC, laptop, or desktop because what we are doing today will change the way you browse forever. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start with Google Chrome, the OG of speed and simplicity. So, open your browser. Note Chrome and the Brave is available to go for Mozilla Firefox and MS Edge. I have MS Edge, so I am going with it. And head to www.google.com/Chrome and enter. Click the big download Chrome button. And save. It will automatically detect your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Now, open that Chrome setup and click on Yes. Wait for a few seconds. Here you can see download is completed by itself. No complex steps, no extra clicks. Just like that, you are seconds away from Chrome launching. And there you go, Google Chrome is ready. Sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. Now let's talk about Brave browser. The browser that blocks ads, boosts speed, and even helps you on while you browse. In your current browser, search for Brave browser download. Brave browser download. Or go directly to www.brave.com. Click on Get Brave for Windows. Save. Again, it will auto-detect your system and start downloading. Double-click on Setup Browser. And this is the notification sound of user account control. So simply click on Yes. It might take a minute to install, but once it's done, Brave opens up automatically, ready to protect your privacy and block trackers out of the box. Think of Brave as your digital shield while still blazing fast. So, skip this step or set Brave as your default browser. Import settings, skip, maybe later, finish. Now, you have got both Chrome and Brave installed. You can use either or both. Want speed? Google ecosystem? Go Chrome. Want privacy and built-in ad block? Go to Brave. To make one your default browser, just click the prompt inside the app or go to your Windows settings, apps, default apps and choose your favorite. And hey, if you are loving this easy tech content, don't forget PcomLap is now everywhere you are. Still searching for how to download Chrome in laptop 2025, Brave browser setup guide for beginners, or which browser is best for Windows 11? You are not alone and you are in the right place. That's what PcomLab is all about. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, tap the bell icon so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments which browser did you choose, Chrome or Brave. Until then, take beyond expectations.